Little tiny car. It's my turn now. Come on. Come on. Ooh, that's a big pothole. And that's a lot of diesel. This is the 100% success road. Oh, I did get one van there behind me. Did actually go through the red light, but unfortunately behind me. Does that count? Do I keep 100% success with that, or do I have to hope for somebody else doing something stupid ahead? That's a nice dent. That was a bit random. Does that count? He randomly just drove onto the wrong side of the road. I think that should probably count. Or maybe we'll get this guy who's parked up in the box junction. And another one behind him who's decided that the box junction is a good place to be. Ha! 100%! I think it will. That was a bit random. I don't know if that's something they're doing everywhere now, but that particular level crossing, they've rubberised the bits between the rails for the cars. Well, I suspect not for the cars, but probably for bicyclists, and maybe somewhat for motorbicyclists. I know somebody was hurt on that one. I think it was that one. Might have been a different one, but I'm pretty sure it was that one. On a bicycle, because the train tracks cross at such an acute angle. They managed to slip the front wheel in between the train tracks, and of course the bike just stopped dead and they went flying. So it's nice to think they're doing something for bicyclists to make it a bit safer. And if it helps us motorbicyclists as well, that can only be a good thing. Is he going to look? There's a biker of the future. John regretted his decision not to use safety equipment. John